These are the real high authority domain cache post backlinks that I have earned using nothing more than just Google. In this video, I will show you exactly how to find the website that accepts cache post for free without paying for an expensive backlink services. So method number 1. Google search operators. If you are comfortable using a simple Google search operators, then this method is incredibly effective for you. Open Google and search using this query. Your niche, first of all. I am taking example of finance niche and adding one strong footprint, that is submit article. Google will display the websites that actively accepting cache post. Browse the results and shortlist websites that are relevant to your niche. Next, visit the relevant website and look for the submit article page. Scroll down and check the guidelines and the contact form or email address available, if any, to submit the article. In this page, there is a submit paper button. Click on it and here we have accept websites conditions that we have to accept and continue for submission. Before submitting, carefully read their cache post guidelines and write the original high quality article that follows their requirements. The better your content matches their requirements, the higher is your chance to getting it approved. Method number 2, drop my link. If you want a faster method, use a free tool called Drop My Link. In Google, type Drop My Link. On the first or the second result itself, you can find this website, debug sold Drop My Link. Click on it and this window will open up, where you can create your own query using some of the options available. You can select which time phase results you want, anytime, past week or past month or even past year. Choose how many results you want, any domain specific results you want. This is an optional selection, it is not necessary. Now type your own niche. I will choose finance niche for this example. Category, we can choose blog platforms and several footprints available for it. I do not recommend comment backlinks. Further, we can choose forum backlinks and its footprints. But in this video, I am going to show you how to get the cache post. So select it, and even in the cache post, there are several footprints available to search for. So we have lots of options to search for our cache post backlink. Here, for example, I am selecting accepting cache post and click on search. A new window will appear with the best results on Google. Similarly, scroll and find the best relevant websites for your backlinks. Open and search for the contact form or email address available to submit the article. This helps you quickly discover websites that are open to cache contribution, saving you a lot of manual work. Before submitting your article, you can check the website's domain authority using any free DA checker. Just search for the check domain authority in Google, and there are lots of options available like Moz, SEMrush for free. As a general rule, target website with a domain authority of 40 or higher to get the maximum benefits of SEO value from this backlink. This is one of the same strategy many SEO professionals use to build high quality cache post backlinks without spending money. I hope you liked this video and got to learn. So kindly subscribe because lots of such SEO tutorials are ready to upload on this channel. If you have any SEO questions, leave them below in the comment and I will be happy to answer. Check out my other SEO tutorials for more practical ranking strategies.